Hey everyone, what's going on? I have another Panini Prizm NASCAR. I like Prizm, and it's the only thing I can find at Target that's Prizm. And I wasn't gonna record this, but I opened the pack, and there's no relic in here, which means that it has to be an autograph. So I opened the first pack. And first of all, I think you get what, 6 packs. 4 cards in a pack, 6 packs. So let me just get started. Dylan. I hate when it's not focused. Dylan. Jimmy Johnson. The whole Panini Prizm is all Jimmy Johnson and like the top names, and Tony Stewart. So one of these should have an autograph in them. So I figured I'd just do the camera real quick, set it up. Greg Biffle. Maybe this is it. So Daniel Suarez, camo, autograph, 12 of 19. So I guess that went pretty quick. I'll go through the rest of them. Maybe there's 2 autographs. You never know. Kevin Harvick. Trevor Bayne. Kurt Busch. Eric Jones. And David Pearson.
Let's talk a little MVP now. The NBA, of course, announced their finalists last night. James Harden put up eye-popping numbers.
Bobby Allison.
Harden became the first player in NBA history to score 2,000 points.
Darrell Waltrip.
By now, you know Russell Westbrook, what he did. He tallied 42
Richard Petty. Kyle Larson. I don't know if anybody follows me, but one of these days I'll have to do my Daytona 500 stuff that I have. I think I went to 2007 one. Maybe I'll do a video showing all my stuff I bought when I was there. Thinking of a program and the ticket and all that other stuff. Austin Dillon, Casey Kane, Brian Scott, and I should have some photos somewhere. Sorry, I just had breakfast. That's why I might sound like not great. Richard Petty again. Kyle Busch. Prizm of Ryan Newman. And Denny Hamlin. Let me just go through them. See if anything's numbered on the back that I missed. Probably not. I mean, retail blaster boxes, you're not going to get anything great. They do have some other NASCAR stuff at Target, so maybe I'll get something else from them.
But here's the thing. I think LeBron James would rather have the hardware next to Adam Silver at the end of the season for MVP.
It's funny, I probably get most autographs out of NASCAR stuff than I do like football or basketball, as far as retail is concerned.
He felt like he was the best player in the world for that entire summer. He had the right to say that. And I think if you ask LeBron, he'd rather have the other trophy.
June 26th is when the MVP is announced. Mark, do you think LeBron being honest quickly about the regular season?
Nope, so I'll show you the autograph again. And like I said, there's probably a couple more. I forget what they're called. Panini NASCAR. No more Prizms. This was the last one. I forget. There's a couple other ones. I know it's a blue box, so maybe I'll pick that up next time I go to Target. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys later.